Good afternoon. Today is Friday, May 18th, and we are reporting live from Houston, Texas. Before we start with the news from this week, we'd like to extend our thoughts and prayers to the faculty, the students, and the families of those that were at part of the Santa Fe shooting today. We extend our condolences to those that have lost a loved one, and you are in our thoughts and prayers. Now we'd like to share with you all some good news. We have been awarded the Better Business Bureau Award, as you can see here, for excelling in our firm. And now we'd like to move on to talk a little bit about the immigration news that has been going on this week. We'd like to start it off to talk about how our president is making it a lot more difficult for people to come here legally. The different tactics that he's using for the employment-based visas, for example, with H-1B visas, there's a lot more hurdles that employers have to get through. It's making it more costly for employers to hire foreign high-skilled workers. There's percentages that applications from 2016 to 28 dropped 20%. We see it not only with the H-1Bs, but also the administration is making it more difficult for foreign students to come to the United States to also study here. We also see it with the refugee programs, how that was temporarily halted last year, and we also saw it with the Muslim ban. So it's just getting a lot more difficult for people to come to the United States legally. And so it's always beneficial for you to consult with an experienced immigration attorney to see how they can assist you in getting creative with your arguments to bring a skilled worker, or if you want to come to the United States to study. In other news, there's also been a lot in the news regarding Attorney General Jeff Sessions and what he's doing in efforts to exert control over the immigration courts. Yesterday, we received the ruling in a case where the Attorney General ordered the immigration judges to end their practice of temporarily removing cases from their dockets without issuing decisions. This is what some people refer to as administrative closure, and Attorney Jeff Sessions came out yesterday essentially asking judges to halt that. We've seen Jeff Sessions do that various times now. I believe this is the third case where he assigns it to himself and then issues a decision on that. So again, if you have anything pending before a court, or if you have any questions regarding immigration court, whether you qualify for relief, consult with an attorney. We have attorneys here that focus primarily on immigration defense work. And lastly, we'd also like to talk about the various ICE raids that are going on around the country. They're happening in different areas. They're happening in shops, in restaurants. The Immigrations and Customs Enforcement is arresting more and more immigrants, and they've been targeting a lot of employers that may be hiring people that are working without documents. So our warning to you all is just to be careful. For family members to always be ready, to make sure that you have your A numbers memorized, that your family members also have those numbers in case you were to get detained, and for you to just be careful everywhere that you go. And if you have any questions, if you have any sort of doubts, always know that you can count on us. We'd help you. We would love to help you every step of the way with any immigration question that you may have. So just be careful, and also just know that now if you get arrested for any crime and you have an order of deportation, it's most likely that if you get bonded out of the state court, it's most likely that you will be placed in under ICE custody as well. So we just ask everyone to be careful and don't get in trouble with the law. And as always, just know that you can call our Houston office at 713-589-2085, or you can also contact our New Jersey office at 201-210-8240. We are always here to help you. If you have any questions, always know that we're here to support y'all and help with any questions or issues that you may have. Lastly, I'd like to talk to you all about the fact that I am now an associate attorney here at the Powers Law Group. Last time I spoke to you, I was a law clerk. I have since been sworn in to practice in the state of Texas, and it is an honor for me to be able to serve in this firm. And I look forward to meeting you all, and I look forward to working with you all as an attorney now. And today I had the pleasure of going to Career Day at Cornelius Elementary, and it was a great opportunity to go out and speak about what I get to do along with the other attorneys here at the Powers Law Group. And just know that we're always available if you're having any career days at school, or if you have festivals or any events where you'd like us to go work or present our services. We're always available for that. And always know that we're here to serve you. Call our office if you have questions, email us, Facebook us, Twitter us, or you can find us on Instagram. And we hope you all have a great weekend, and thank you for your time.